Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will reveal the amazing moments that show the ultimate power of heavy machinery, where every risky move creates an epic and dramatic performance. Let's explore the amazing transportation skills and unstoppable power of the machines. Let's get started. The incident demonstrates the dangers of driving heavy vehicles on soft ground, resulting in unstable recovery and structural damage. The truck was thrown into a ditch. Looks like this was an expensive tree trimming job. The car hit a branch, and the car was broken. The car was driving on the road, suddenly got stuck in the ground, and tilted to one side of the road. Once it tilted, the game was over. That muddy ground was just carrying to complete its mission. Panic on icy bridge and train tracks caught on camera. Have you ever seen such a dangerous place? Removing the counterweight and ropes significantly changes the vehicle's center of gravity, making it susceptible to tipping. In this case, lowering the boom can stabilize the operator's experience is important. Mad respect to whoever came up with this. You're either creative or stuck. If you've ever seen a car stuck in a ditch, you will know how frustrating it can be. But with the right tools and a little teamwork, the car can be pulled out safely. It is all about using the right methods to get back on the road quickly. Another reason why truck drivers should check their cargo. Imagine if that pipe hit a car, it would be a nightmare. The vehicle is a true legend of Abbey when it comes to off-road transport, with its rugged design and impressive hill climbing ability of up to 75%, even more amazing. This vehicle can conquer terrain where most other trucks would get stuck. Recognition is sometimes just common sense. Don't drive down a clear lane not suitable for large tractor trailers. The overturned truck and debris looked like something out of a movie, but I was impressed by the excavator that worked to rescue the driver. Footage of Indian trucks on treacherous mud roads with 10 and 16-wheeler tractors, highlights the conditions, highlighted the difficulties they face, near misses, underscore the urgent need for better infrastructure to ensure safe, heavy transport. Forgetting to pull the brakes is one way to ruin your day. Luckily, no one was hurt, but that truck is going to need some serious repairs. Time to find out the fault of the truck driver or the loading crew on the tight turns. A great reminder of the importance of teamwork in rescue operations. Despite the blown tire and difficult access, the team worked together to complete the job safely. How did that truck not flip over? I was waiting for the moment it flipped over to one side. Lucky day for the driver. Oh my God. Holding my breath, waiting for the fateful moment. The truck gradually accelerated forward, like a giant beast out of control with no way back. Could it withstand this devastating collision? Or would it be shattered into pieces under the terrible force of physics? Under the yellow and green truck is stuck deep in the mud. It is leaning to one side, looking like it can't get out by itself. Wow, that's a powerful crane, but even the most powerful equipment needs to be handled carefully. It's easy to overlook things like weight distribution, but when that happens, the consequences can be very costly. Luckily, no one was hurt. Soft ground and a 26-ton beast behind you. That's skill, patience, and a lot of anxiety. Do you believe that cranes can operate on water with engines that force the excavator to break all limits? This ability allows it to operate in flooded areas for mining and construction efficiently and easily.